Hi, my healthy friends. This is a Parmigiana, vegan and gluten-free, and it was asked for one of my subscribers, so here it is. So let's start it. Need 2 medium eggplants, and you're gonna remove the bottom and the top and cut into slices, making sure that you have about 1 centimeter in thickness. We are going to remove the excess water from the eggplant by adding salt and just going to leave it for about half an hour aside. Let's prepare the breadcrumb now. So we need 3/4 cup of breadcrumbs, gluten-free. Then we need savory yeast, 1/4 cup. 1 teaspoon or tablespoon of oregano, and you're going to mix well. Then you're going to set aside. Now the butter, you need 1/2 cup of chickpeas flour because it's going to be vegan. And you're going to need just 3/4 cup of warm water. So you're going to start to mix this until all the flour is dissolved. And now we are ready to get the eggplant that's been resting for 30 minutes. We're going to remove all the water as much as we can. Now we are ready to dip the eggplant into the butter and then into the breadcrumbs very well. Once when you finish with all of them, you're going to place them into oven tray. Then need to go to the oven because we're going to try it to be healthy. We're not going to fry them. Or you can choose to put it in the fridge and do it next day. In the meantime that my eggplant are cooking, we're going to prepare the sauce. You need 750 ml of tomato sauce, anyone you like it. This is my homemade vegetable stock. You can click the link and follow the step to make it. We're going to need of this one 3 tablespoons. Now this is a vegan Parmesan cheese. You can click the link as well and to do it. 1 teaspoon of oregano, and then you're going to mix well. And look how beautiful my eggplants looked. They are so crunchy. They are just delicious, and you can eat it like that with a bit of tomato. Yummy. So hungry that I'm gonna have this as my little snack, and I'm gonna tell you how it tastes. It is crunchy on the outside, but very soft in the inside. It's just absolutely amazing. Wow, look at this. Oh, it's so yummy. Okay, let's go now. Mozzarella cheese. We need 1 cup of warm water. Then have a cup of raw cashews, 2 tablespoons of tapioca, and 2 tablespoons of savory yeast again. A teaspoon or half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and salt. So we are ready now to make our mozzarella, vegan mozzarella. Now you're gonna take it to the pan to the low heat, and you're gonna stir until it gets thicker. Okay, don't leave it alone because otherwise it doesn't get perfect. You see the texture, it's just getting thicker. If you find that it's too thick, just put a little bit more water, otherwise you can leave it like that. But that texture is just perfect. Look at that, it's so creamy and so yummy. You can use this in pizzas as well, and even on pasta like that. It's just amazing. And finally, we're ready to make our Parmigiana, vegetarian, gluten-free. Half of the mixture is going to be at the bottom of the oven tray or oven Pyrex. Just accommodate as many as you can fit at the bottom, and depending, of course, how many have you done. And then you're gonna just apply some more tomato. And apply the mozzarella cheese. And again, you can put a second layer. You can do one layer if you want. I decided just to make 2 layers. I thought it was nice. And then again, you have to apply tomato and finish with mozzarella. You can then add Parmesan cheese at the top, and that's gonna give you the nice touch for your Parmigiana to taste absolutely marvelous. And I have to tell you, it's really marvelous. What I forgot to put, it was a bit of a basil on top. You can try that. So go into the oven, and then you can serve with your salad or whatever you like it. So here is, I'm just serving with one of my salads, and it's just smell amazing. I hope you enjoy, and see you next time.